guys, welcome back to Lincoln MKX. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we're going to show you what needs to be done to replace a water pump on Lincoln MKX. If you guys have a Lincoln MKX generation all the way to 2014 with a 3.5 engine, okay, or the 3.7, stay with us and we'll show you how. Even if you have the one with the facelift. Okay, let me show you quick first the engine, okay, what it looks like, and we'll explain the procedure about locating and replacing the pump. Okay, so now right here guys, this is the engine being put together. Okay, everything right here installed, as you can see. Now what we can do, okay, we can actually go ahead and pull that cover, and I'm going to show you later, but all that engine guys is being put together, and you're wondering where your water pump is located. As you know, that engine has been used on many Ford vehicles and Lincoln vehicles, and Ford Edge has absolutely the same engine installed in it. That's why we decided to make the video today, because that Edge guys, that's what we are doing today, and many more problems as well. We're guys showing you how to replace water pump, cylinder heads, gaskets, torque specs, all that. Every vehicle we get at the shop guys, we have at least 200 videos made, so please subscribe. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can. But what you need to do to get to the pump? In order to get to that pump guys, you have to take the valve covers off completely. Intake, upper intake, you need to take that off. Lower intake, so you can remove the coolant pipe. All that needs to come out, okay, and after that you need to remove, okay, the fender liner here. Remove that so you can get to the belts, remove the harmonic balancer. This one right here, this is the crankshaft pulley. And once you do all that guys, you can remove the valve, the timing cover, excuse me. And the power steering pump is towards the back, which is a terrible idea. You have to have a special tool for the power steering pump pulley. And once you do all that, okay, you can remove that timing cover that we broke. You can see that we broke that thing. It's extremely fragile, very thin. Whoever thought about that design, it's terrible. And as a result guys, now, okay, we need to, what do we need to do? We need to remove all the timing chain components. Timing chains, okay, this is the variable timing solenoids. And once you do guys all that, right here in the middle of your engine guys, that's where your water pump goes. Okay, and this guys is your water pump right here. It's chain driven, okay, timing chain driven. Terrible idea guys, it takes an enormous amount of work to do that. So if you're to the point that you have to replace your pump because it's leaking, or it's time to replace it, what I'll recommend guys to do, okay, you need to actually install new timing chain and tensioners as well, because you don't want to risk it, okay, and you don't want to do that job one more time, because if you have to do it one more time, terrible guys, it takes so much, okay, so much work to do that. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. As I can say before, that engine is the same that's in that Lincoln, so the video should be helpful to you guys. Hopefully we can save you quite a bit of money. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.